Welcome. This is the Market Wrap. I'm Agam Vakil. Consolidation continues for the benchmark indices, along with the Nifty still hanging around the mark of 10,700 and 10,800. Nothing much has changed here. As you can see, closing just shy of the 10,800 mark, up by as much as 7 points. What are the big stocks which have led to the strength here and perhaps kept the markets buoyant? We have Grasim Industries, that's up 3%. Coal India and Ultratech Cement along with Hindalco also advancing by as much as 2%. However, Tata Motors continues to grind lower, down by another 4%. A lot of shorts building in there, and it is the same for Reliance Industries, that's also down another 2.5%. More weakness for Cipla Power Grid as well as Tata Steel. Now, when you can consider the broader markets, the picture isn't very different when it comes to the market breadth. So we still have one gainer for two losers on the NSE 500 and just about one gainer for as many as maybe three losers when it comes to the broader markets out there. But Take Solutions is the top NSE 500 loser. That's followed by Gati, that's down around 6.3%. Hatsun Agro and IDBI Bank along with Aegis Logistics losing out in trade. Avanti Feeds, on the other hand, up by as much as 15%, and we will talk about Avanti Feeds in detail in just a bit. Prestige Estates, Birla Corp, along with Hexaware Technologies continuing to advance in trade today. Now, considering the fact that Nifty can't get over the mark of 10,800, what are our technical experts telling us about the levels that we need to keep an eye on? This is what they're saying. Listen in.
We are seeing consolidation and also we are seeing sideways trading, and what we are witnessing is that higher levels are witnessing selling pressure as well as profit booking, and Nifty is unable to take out the 10,800 mark decisively and consistently sustain above that levels. Looking at the indices technically, they clearly display that the short-term trend remains, I would say, slightly bearish. So higher levels are being sold into. So Nifty futures can be looked at going short around 10,790, 10,800 levels with a stop loss above 10,860 and a target of 10,700 on the downside.
In case if the market starts trading above say 10,790 on a confident basis, and if we see a consistent close above it, then probably we may see markets surprising on the upside. But so long as the trade is concerned, I think one has to be cautiously optimistic and keep a stop loss somewhere close to 10,700 and still stay long in the market.
All right, so those are some of those cues coming in for the benchmark indices, but let's shift focus to stocks right now. We have Avanti Feed, which advanced by as much as 15% in today's day of trade, and we have Somit Sarkar joining us to give us an idea about what really is working out here.
So if you see, Avanti Feeds was the top gainer on the Nifty 500 today. It gained as much as 15%. Now this is after the stock split and bonus share that was effective from today. And also if you see the volumes, it was nearly 3 times its 20-day average. So on the back of heavy volumes and post stock split and this bonus issue, the stock has gained 15%. Separately, the management also spoke to Bloomberg Quint, and in that interview, the management said that for FY19, though they're expecting a drop in their net profits, that is because of higher raw material cost. For FY20 going onwards, they're expecting the net profit to grow for the company. Also, the management said that they'll be focusing on newer markets like China, because China has recently turned into an importer from being an exporter earlier, and going forward, China will be an important market for the company. And to get in more details about this interview, you can log into Bloomberg Quint and check the details about this interview on the website.
Absolutely. Thanks for that, Somit. We can catch up with the management as to what they have to say about Avanti Feeds' outlook going in on our website as well, where you can watch that entire conversation that we've had with them. But with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the Market Wrap. Lots more lined up, so don't go anywhere and stay tuned in a Bloomberg Quint.